After launching the Nothing Phone 2A and a special edition model in India, Nothing has announced a Plus variant of the smartphone. Nothing Phone 2A Plus is all set to make its debut on July 31st. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus will feature a similar design as the standard phone 2A, but will be bigger in size. It will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7350 chipset. This will be paired with 12GB RAM and 8GB virtual RAM support. The SoC is paired with Mali G610MC4 GPU, and Nothing claims a 10% performance boost with the Phone 2A Plus over the Phone 2A with this configuration. Plus will allegedly come in two RAM versions, with 8GB and 12GB, both paired with 256GB of storage. Phone 2A Plus come with horizontal dual camera setup. 50-megapixel dual rear camera setup will remain unchanged, and equipped with a 50-megapixel selfie camera is an upgrade over the 32-megapixel camera on the Nothing Phone 2A. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is expected to arrive with the same 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and under-display fingerprint sensor as the Phone 2A, along with support for features like NFC connectivity. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is backed by a 5000 mAh battery that supports 50-watt wired charging. The device could retail around the 30,000 rupees price range in India. However, we expect to learn more about the device in the coming days. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.